Morning guys, I'm here now in station 3 and I have just done making a video walking from station 1 up to here. Now I'll be going back to station 2. As you can see, the sea is very rough. There are two big waves. There's a lot of people here in station 3 compared to station 2 and station 1 right now. Time check. It's 8:45 in the morning and it's August 6 or I mean August 7, 2019. There is no rain today, but it's cloudy right now, windy, but people are enjoying the beach because there is no rain. Please check out my video guys. It is a video without talking from station 1 up to here, and I walk on that area with the waves. I'm using right now my GoPro Hero 7 Silver, and you can notice the wind noise cancellation, although it's a bit noisy, but still the cancellation of the microphone is good enough compared to mobile phones. If I'm using my mobile phone with a Xeon Smooth 4 stabilizer, I'm using the external microphone to cancel the noise of the wind. As you can see here, there's a flock of people here, but swimming is not allowed. That is why the beach guard are calling those swimmers. You can just stay on the shallow. It's dangerous. As you can see, the waves are too big. Even though it's windy, as long as there's no wind or there's no rain, you can still enjoy the beach. It's nice to stay here on the beach with strong waves. The wind is cool. The sun is not hot, although the sun is showing a little bit. It's a nice day after a week of raining. We're here now at the front of Hinan Palm Beach. This is now in station 2. As you can see, there are debris from the ocean, but those are seaweeds. But you cannot see the trash, especially the plastic trash here. Tourists are more disciplined right now, and also the resorts are cleaning their front beach. I think the barbershop break did not rake today, but the barbershop break is already fixed. To my viewers and subscribers, if you are here in Boracay any day, just leave a comment to one of my videos, and if possible we can meet up and just say hi, hello. only have around 3 months or less for this Sabagat season, because amihan usually starts at the end of October or early November, and during amihan the white beach is very calm, as long as there is no typhoon. We are here now in front of Henan Regency. This is the first Regency in Boracay. Shout out to my most active viewer, subscriber, to Mr. Oten. Sir, what's up? You guys, Mr. Oten is a traveler. You can check out his channel. Channel name is Mr. Oten. Mr.Uden. So the meaning of his channel is unique. Utang, travel, enjoy, no problem. That is the meaning of his hotel. Here now is station 2. The beach police, the beach guards are active. They are roving. But I cannot see the lifeguards here. By the way guys, lifeguard in Boracay are only volunteers. They're now building lifeguard towers. Supposed to be 7 lifeguard towers, but the 2 in station 2 they canceled. So there will be only 4 or 5 lifeguard towers to be installed here on the white beach. The wind is really strong. But I enjoy the sound of the waves. These are seaweeds. The seaweeds come from the ocean, washed off by the waves. Early in the morning, the volunteers are cleaning the beach. Right now, these are new wash off. There are kite surfers on station 1. If you want to know how long is it from station 1 to station 3, I just started on station 1 this year. Still near the end of station 1 going to station 2, and I ended up to station 3, but it's only near the beginning of station 3. So I walk almost 18 minutes. Then from that area where I started up to the tip of station 1, I walk up to 10 minutes. It's already 28. Then from where I stop station 3 up to the end, it's also 10 minutes. So all in all, from tip to tip of Boracay, you can walk around 40 minutes. It's only a relaxing walk, it's not a brisk walk. So if you jog, maybe you can get it in 30 minutes, but walking will take you 40 minutes or more from the tip of station 1 up to the other end, from the tip of station 3 to Angle Point. So I started the video in front of, I think, La Carmela or Bamboo Lounge, and I will stop here in front of District Hotel. So most probably it will take around 10 minutes. You have noticed there's a lot of Asians, especially the Koreans and the Chinese right now, because they usually come to Boracay during the low season. June, July, August is the low season in Boracay. Actually guys, there is no off season in Boracay. There's only low, high and peak season. Right now, by the way, it's not actually low season right now. If you base on the bookings of the hotels, still high. So the season in Boracay is only high and peak season. That is why the Interagency Task Force limit the arrival in Boracay for the carrying capacity of the island. So guys, I'm here now in front of District Hotel. My motorbike is parked there at the Amazing Show. So thank you for watching guys. Please check out my other videos here today. I also have a video in Bulabog Beach to the pumping station, and I made a video here, a walking video to that surf area. Once again, thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.